Welcome back. We have an Aritzia unboxing. As you could see on the title of the video, this is a coat, the Constance coat, and I am very excited to see it. Let's check it out. By the way, guys, if you are new here, I'm Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I talk about fashion, beauty, and great finds like this one. So if you like those kind of content, please support my channel by liking this video and subscribing. Alright, we're excited to see it. It feels like Christmas again. So this is actually my second coat from Aritzia, and I feel like I'll be buying at least one coat from there every year. I have to say that I was kind of influenced by Jennifer Wang, but this is a good influence because Jennifer Wang promotes mindful shopping, and she is very good at educating us about on how to look for high quality clothing. The first coat that I bought is a trench coat. I got this last year. It's from the Wilfred brand. I think this might not be available anymore, but this is such a great buy. I pretty much wear it every day last fall and during the warmer days of winter, just like right now. So next week I heard it's going to be very cold again, so this came just right on time. If you've been watching my videos, I've said that this year I'm gonna be wearing more blacks. I've been avoiding buying black coats since we moved to the Washington state, or the what they call the PNW, Pacific Northwest, because it was very gloomy there. And so I tried to, like, cheer up myself through the color of my wardrobe. But now I feel like it's time to go back to black. And I got myself this Constance coat, and it's really long. So this is the Constant coat, and this is 100% wool. I got this in size small. I made sure to review Jennifer Wang's videos to make sure that I got the right sizing, because with my trench coat I got extra small and it was really roomy still. But this is actually much lighter. It feels like it was lighter than the trench coat, but still has very good weight. So let's try it. All right, let's try it. So again, this is size small, and the shoulder is exactly where it should be, but I think the arm is a little bit long, but I don't mind it because I kind of like folding my coat sometimes to make it a little bit more casual and not look very formal. So that's okay. And this is a double-breasted kind of coat. Definitely roomy, so I could still definitely wear thick sweater inside. Go. So no other buttonhole for the upper button right there. So just one. I wish it was longer, to be honest, because I'm really going for a long coat, but this is not a bad length. So this is more like a midi. There you have it. And pocket are still same, but let's check if they are real pockets, because sometimes they're not. Yep, looks like they are real pocket. I just need to undo the seams right here, but I wish it's more this way because it's easier. But yes, I'm loving it so far. Love the boxy silhouette. I'll probably wear this most of the time opened. And if you remember, I have those rose snake boots. I would love to wear this with a midi dress and those boots. That's going to look fantastic. But yep, this is very lightweight, to be honest, and I'm glad it is, because when we move to the US, we are not moving anywhere that's super cold. Definitely not as close as the weather here in Edmonton. So definitely need lighter coat for lighter winter days. So there you. I just want to show you the trench coat I got last year. Haven't washed this yet. Very well used, but it doesn't smell any kind of stink. It's practically odorless. So that's one thing I learned from Jen. Clothing made of natural fibers are less likely to have any kind of body odor. So that's a plus. And now I'm just like concentrated looking for wool cashmere coats and sweaters. So there you have it. And still in the coat department, just want to share you very quickly some great finds. This one is from the Real Real, and I think I paid about maybe $30–40 for it. I love it because it's a combination of wool, so the body is 100% wool and the sleeves are nylon, so it has that dressy part but also casual. And this is also kind of long, a little shorter than this one. Let me show you. There it is. So definitely shorter, but this has more a casual vibe, but still look very dressed up or put together. So I love this. Pockets right here, perfect size. This is from the brand Sandro, and I just love shopping at the Real Real because you filter stuff by size, by condition, even by brands, color, and you can find exactly what you are looking for. I was so thrilled when I found this one, and I thought I can definitely add this in my coat collection. I was actually looking for dark chocolate coat because that's one thing I don't have yet, but I don't mind this olive green combo right here. They work perfectly great, and it has this zipper here. You could put your keys, and I think it just looks so cool. So yeah, there you have it. And last but not the least, in the coat department, I literally just got this yesterday from Banana Republic. This is a mixed fabric or mixed fiber. It's 40% wool and then the rest is synthetic. And this is actually from the men's section. I got it clearance. It was 259 Canadian dollars plus 60% off. So I end up paying, I think, 109 Canadian dollars, which is about $80 US. And so I thought that is definitely a great deal right there. If you are shopping for coat, this is the best time because everything is almost on clearance right now. Also, the Constance, I paid $180 for that coat. So that's a super great deal. There's no way I will let that deal pass. So this one from men's section, and the size is 38. So this, I imagine myself wearing it with jeans or miniskirt. This actually has a great length on the arm. It's just tiny little bit wider on the shoulder, but not too much. Just give it a nice, because it has padding, so just give it a nice structure. But yes, I'm very excited about this as well. It's navy blue. I don't have a coat like this yet, and so I was very thrilled when I saw it yesterday. So there you go. And I don't know if you could see, but this is like a blue plaid. So love that very subtle pattern. And I don't know why, but I feel like Banana Republic always have blousy buttons, but not on the men's section. These are very great reinforced button right here. Also good quality button right there. It is lined and it's super soft. And so extra perk that this is a men's jacket. It has this extra pocket inside. Look at that. I have to say this is a very well made coat. The attention to details It's just amazing. I might start just shopping at the men's section whenever I look for coat at Banana Republic, because I feel like they are very well made compared to the ones in the women's section. So there you have it. I have 3 coats, to be honest. I'm more of a coat boots person than bags. I don't really buy bags as much. Usually bags, I get them as gifts, and I buy myself sometimes. If there's something that I really like, then I'll buy it. But most of my money goes to coats and boots. So if you like this kind of content, let me know in the comment below, please, because you know most of my content is about your beauty products, and sometimes I like to share my fashion with all of you and some great finds like these ones. So if you like those kind of content, please let me know in the comments so I know if I should continue sharing this kind of stuff with all of you. So that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.